Софія, українка, і мені не все одно на моє майбутнє.
Enrico, Italian, optimistic.
Dorian, make a difference and plant a tree.
Virginie, think before printing and try to recycle as much as you can.
Robin, étudiant, pense à son futur.
我们都来自
中国。
出国读书对我来说可以让我变得更乐观，然后对未来充满壮景。
Alex, pour les systèmes. Don't smash your future.
Hello, I'm Alex Weir and I'm from Australia. I believe we should preserve the rainforest and really fight for our future.
Hi, my name is Christine, I'm from Vancouver and I love frogs.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Poulain Sylvain. Je pense à mes enfants, au futur de mes enfants, à mon fils. Et j'espère que vous en ferez autant.
Hi, my name is Magnus. I'm from Norway, and I think it's important to save rainforest for the preservation of endangered species.
Charles from Brussels, Belgium, willing to use green tech.
So please, sign up now.
Please sign up now.
Not later. Now.
Sign up now.
Sign up now.